Hello students, today we will study composition of function. Composition of function. Now let us take from A, f such that from A to B. F is the function defined from A to B, and G is another function defined from B to C. This is set A, set B, and this is set C. As f is defined from A to B, means let us suppose set A contains one element, that is x. Image of x in the set B will be fx. Here we have added a device. We have arranged a device over here, that is f. f is a device. अब यहाँ से x की जो इमेज है वो fx पड़ गई है सेट B पे. Now let us suppose this fx is equal to y. Again one more device G has been set up in this point, and यहाँ से fx की भी इमेज बन जाएगी. क्या बनेगी? g ऑफ, इस डिवाइस g की वजह से ये बन जाएगी g ऑफ fx. इसको थोड़ा सा इधर करके इसको बाद में डिफाइन करके लिख देंगे. नाउ दिस फंक्शन फ्रॉम A to C, g o f. Here once more f such that from A to B, g such that from B to C, and composition function g o f such that from A to C. A to C. Composition of function g o f is what? G o f is g of fx. It is very clear from here. fx is what? The image of x. Image of x is fx, and this is enclosed by a curly bracket. Means curly bracket denotes the collection. Then this set is said to be range of f. Hence here we can define as a range of f. G की डोमेन के अंदर आना चाहिए इसको, तो मस्ट बी सबसेट ऑफ डोमेन ऑफ G. Similarly, FOG is defined f of gx, range of G must be subset of domain of f. Now we will take some example. Let us take some examples. F such that real number to real number. fx equal to e power x, and g such that positive real number to real number, and gx equal to log x base to e. Graphically exponential function का ग्राफ यूं, this is the graph of e की power x and the graph of log x. यहाँ पे base e है which is greater than 1, then the graph of this function will be like this. Here we observe that both are increasing function, दोनों ही increasing function है, दोनों ही increasing function है, और increasing function है तो ये function 1 1 है, because I have already told in the previous lecture every strictly increasing function or strictly decreasing function are 1 1 function. Therefore, for finding GOF is what? G of fx means range of f. रेंज ऑफ f क्या हो जाएगी? दिस इज f, इसकी रेंज क्या है? 0 to infinity. डोमेन ऑफ g क्या है? इसकी डोमेन क्या है? अब डोमेन में x की वैल्यू देखो यहाँ पे 0 को टच नहीं कर रही और नेगेटिव साइड नहीं जा रही, मीन्स डोमेन ऑफ g क्या है? अगेन 0 to infinity. तो यहां से रेंज ऑफ f सबसेट ऑफ डोमेन ऑफ g, ये दोनों इक्वल हो गए और वी नो दैट एवरी सेट इज द सबसेट ऑफ इटसेल्फ. 11th क्लास में आपने पढ़ा होगा कि एवरी सेट इज द सबसेट ऑफ इटसेल्फ, देयरफॉर दिस इज डिफाइंड. देन g ऑफ x क्या है हमारे पास? g ऑफ x हमारे पास है log x e. नाउ वी हैव टू g ऑफ fx, x की जगह fx डालना है हमें, log base में e. x is what? x is fx. Log e fx is what? fx is e to the power x. As we know the property of logarithmic function log e base e. As you are aware that log e base e what? Then its value is x into 1, that is x. Now we have to find the domain of the GOF. Domain of GOF. इस फंक्शन का, इस कंपोजिट फंक्शन का हमें डोमेन भी निकालें. e की पावर x means x belongs to all real number. Okay. Thereafter we have to find FOG. FOG फाइंड करना होगा हमें. FOG is what? FOG is nothing but f of gx. And I have already defined FOG as it will exist if range of g is the subset of domain of f. अब range of g क्या है? This is g function. G range of g is what? Every real number, the set of real number. So domain of f क्या है? Again it is real number. So range of g is subset of domain of f. Hence FOG is defined. So fx is what over here? E power x. Then we can write over here fx. X is what? x की जगह हमें gx पुट करना. e to the power gx. E to the power gx. And gx, we know that gx is log x. Log x is already given. अब यहां से फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फाइंड डोमेन ऑफ FOG. FOG की डोमेन क्या होगी? यहाँ पे x की जगह जीरो नहीं हो सकता, ना ही नेगेटिव वैल्यू हो सकती। तो डोमेन ऑफ g क्या होगा, 0 to infinity। यहाँ से हम ये देख रहे हैं इसकी वैल्यू तो x आ जाएगी आफ्टर सॉल्विंग, बिकॉज बाय द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ लॉगरिथम and the value of this function will be equal to x and this is also equal to x। GOF भी आपने फाइंड किया था, वो भी x आया था, but the domain of both are different। GOF and FOG are same, but domain is not the same value। Now let's take some more values। fx x plus 2 gx x cube। f and g are two real functions, and now we have to find f such that R to R, g is also such that from R to R। We have to find FOG। FOG means f of gx, as fx is given in this particular question, x plus 2। Now we have to put gx in place of x, gx plus 2, and gx over here is x cube plus 2। So FOG of x is x cube plus 2। Now we have to find GOF। GOF is defined because these are two real functions। Obviously range of f will be subset of domain of, range of f is subset of domain of g, so it will be defined। Then g of f is what? G of fx, and g of x is what? G of x is given x cube, g of x is given, and replace x by fx। x की जगह fx से रिप्लेस कर देते हैं, तो fx का क्या हो जाएगा, क्यूब। fx क्या है, x plus 2, x plus 2 का क्यूब। Hence we observe that GOF is not equal to FOG। This is very important because this is the example which suggests that composition of function is not necessarily commutative। Properties of composition of function। Properties of composition of function। Number 1, as we have seen in the previous example that GOF is not equal to FOG, hence we can say that composition of function, composition of two function is not necessarily commutative, is not necessarily commutative। Second point, composition of two function, composition of two function is associative। Composition of composition of two function is associative. Third property, composition of two one function is one. Composition of two one function means if f is 1 and g is 1 both are function defined function, then composition of both f o g will be 1. Composition of two onto function. Composition of two onto function is onto. Means if f is onto and g is also onto, then GOF or FOG will be definitely onto. Fifth property, f such that A to B and G such that from B to A, and GOF equal to identity A. So F is 1 and G is on. Next property, if f such that A to B, G such that B to A are two real functions, and FOG, composition of f and g, that is FOG equal to identity B, then f is onto and g is 1. अगर इन दोनों प्रॉपर्टीज को फिफ्थ और सिक्स्थ को कंपाइल कर दिया जाए तो एक और प्रॉपर्टी निकल जाएगी, 7th प्रॉपर्टी आ जाएगी, f such that A to B, G such that B to A. अब GOF आइडेंटिटी A के इक्वल हो जाए और FOG आइडेंटिटी B के इक्वल हो जाए, तो यहाँ से कंक्लूजन क्या निकलेगा? जो f फंक्शन f होगा वो बाइजेक्टिव होगा एंड g भी बाइजेक्टिव होगा, तो लिख सकते हो f एंड g आर बाइजेक्टिव फंक्शन. ये प्रॉपर्टी इन्वर्टिबिलिटी शो करती है, जब इन्वर्स फंक्शन पढ़ेंगे वहां पे ये काम आएगी. अच्छा, इसमें थर्ड और फोर्थ को अगर कंपाइल किया जाए, थर्ड और फोर्थ प्रॉपर्टी को अगर कंपाइल करते हैं, दोनों को क्लब करते हैं, कंपोजिशन ऑफ टू वन ऑफ फंक्शन इज वन, कंपोजिशन ऑफ टू ऑन टू फंक्शन इज ऑन टू. अगर इन दोनों को कंपाइल किया जाए, मीन्स कंपोजिशन ऑफ टू बाइजेक्टिव फंक्शन इज बाइजेक्टिव, मीन्स f is bijective and g is also bijective, then GOF will be definitely bijective and FOG will also be bijective. These are the properties of composition of function, which plays very significant role to solve so many different questions of composition of function. This is what about lecture on composition of function. We will extend on the next lecture. Till then, bye. Thank you.